Enter the Sculpfun official website. To download the tool macOS Toolkit. After entering the computer interface, click Launchpad to enter Terminal. In Terminal, enter the command sudo spctl, master disable and enter your computer password. The password will not be displayed in the terminal. Enter the password and press Enter. In the System Settings, go to Security and Privacy, click the lock in the lower left corner, and select Allow App Downloads Anywhere. Follow the prompts and open the app to use it.